Hello and welcome back everyone to the Create an AI with Deep Convolutional Q-Learning. In this section, we are going to take a look at first we will install OpenAIGym and ppaquette. Then we are going to build an AI for an old classic game that is Doom, and we are going to implement that in 3 parts. And finally, we are going to play with our AI in Doom environment. Installing OpenAIGym and ppaquette. In this video, we are going to install OpenAIGym and ppaquette. So without further ado, let's get started. For our Doom project, we are going to create another environment in our Anaconda navigator. So let's give it a name and select Python 2.7 version. Then click Create button here. Now open up the terminal and type source activate, then the environment name you given earlier. Then within this environment, let's type conda install -c pytorch. After installing this pytorch version in your new environment, let's type pip install gym == 0.9.3. And these lines of code will install OpenAIGym in this environment. And finally, type conda install -c menpo ffmpeg. We need this in order to create some video files where we can see how our agent perform in the Doom environment. So after installing those dependencies, now you are ready to implement deep convolutional Q-learning to our agent. Now you just need to open up your Anaconda navigator and select your environment and let's start coding. So that's it for today's lecture.